Progress Test, Units 1 and 2. Exercise 6. Listen to a program talking about teenage students and choose the best answers.
Well, our next story could be really good news for teenagers. Many teenagers find it really difficult to wake up and get out of bed. Is that because they're lazy? Well, no, says Russell Foster, a professor at Oxford University. Professor Foster has tested the memory of 200 teenage students and has discovered that the results are 9% better when they do the test in the afternoon. He thinks that this is because teenagers may have different body clocks from adults and younger children. In his opinion, from the ages of 10 to 20, we need to spend more time in bed. Professor Foster has calculated that teenagers should stay in bed for 2 more hours than younger and older people. Dr. Paul Kelly is the headmaster of a large school in the north of England, and he thinks Professor Foster is right. He has decided that, at his school, students should start lessons 2 hours later than usual. Classes will now start at 11 o'clock instead of 9 a.m., so that students can sleep for longer. He thinks that by doing this, his students will be more awake and will learn better and faster. He believes it will stop what he calls teenage zombies falling asleep in the lessons before lunch. When students at the school heard about the idea, 1 or 2 said that they preferred getting up early, but the rest agreed that it was a great idea. This is not the first time that Dr. Kelly has done something unusual at his school. Last year, he began science classes with a difference. He taught science for 3 20-minute periods with a 10-minute break between each session. He gave the students time for physical activity. By interrupting the class for physical activity, he helped all the students to get much better marks in their exams. Another of his ideas was to start teaching university subjects in the last year of school. In this way, he prepared them better for the transition from school to university. So, if you're a teenager and you find it hard to get up in the mornings, maybe you should contact Dr. Kelly and see if there's a space for you at his school.